words to say. You left and gone away. Another lonely night, sitting waiting at the phone, crying 'cause I'm all alone. My baby's gone. You left a note today, saying you wanna go separate ways. Lost the words to say. You left and gone away, 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 My heart is hurting more than broken now that you're gone. Explain to me whatever is it that had went wrong. Now I'm left with nothing but all the memories. Can't you see that you took away a part of me? I reminisce sometimes of this with you and I, think about them happier times when we were in love. But now I'm letting go, no use of holding on. Those days have gone to waste, I just gotta keep strong. I reminisce sometimes of us with you and I, think about them happier times when we were in love. But now I'm letting go, no use of holding on. Those days have gone to waste, I just gotta keep strong, keep strong, keep strong, keep strong. My heart is hurting more than broken now that you're gone. Explain to me whatever is it that had went wrong. Now I'm left with nothing but all the memories. Can't you see that you took away a part of me? My heart is hurting more than broken now that you're gone. Explain to me whatever is it that had went wrong. Now I'm left with nothing but all the memories. Can't you see that you took away a part of me? Of me, a part of me.
Hey baby girl, it's your baby. I know you're mad at me, but just maybe you wanna get with me. 'Cause you know I'll be calling on the phone, hoping that you talk to me. Listen, I know I've got you down day by day. Been thinking of the moments that I used to say that I love you every day. Even though this time we've gone our separate ways. I tried to get in touch with you lately, trying to look at all, 'cause baby, you are my one and only. You don't understand, 'cause I've been thinking a lot of you lately. Now that I am gone, if you could see how I missed you lately, you won't be crying at all.
My heart is hurting more than broken now that you're gone. Explain to me whatever is it that had went wrong. Now I'm left with nothing but all the memories. Can't you see that you took away a part of me? My heart is hurting more than broken now that you're gone. Explain to me whatever is it that had went wrong. Now I'm left with nothing but all the memories. Can't you see that you took away a part of me? Of me, me.